1.7 ounces of Aveeno Calm Restore Redness Relief Moisturizing Facial Cream for sensitive skin with calming Feverfew and Ode instantly calms and soothes the appearance of redness on the face. The Daily Moisturizing Facial Cream for sensitive skin features a calming Feverfew and nourishing oat formula to soothe and calm irritated, dry skin while reducing the look of redness. Formulated with ceramide and vitamin B5, this Calm Restore Redness Relief Moisturizing Cream helps restore the skin's moisture barrier while visibly reducing the appearance of redness and irritated, dry skin. Dermatologist tested on sensitive skin. This hypoallergenic moisturizing cream is non-comedogenic, gentle enough for everyday use and formulated to be free of fragrances, parabens and phthalates. From a dermatologist-recommended brand for over 70 years, Aveeno Calm Restore Redness Relief Moisturizing Face Cream calms and soothes the appearance of redness, making it the perfect addition to any daily skincare routine. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent choice for sensitive skin. Over the years I have used a lot of Aveeno products and always found them to be good for my sensitive skin. This face cream is one of their best. No fragrance, no irritating ingredients, and a good level of moisturizing, not oily greasy, but enough to keep my skin feeling great. The 1.7 ounce jar of soft white cream has no scent either in the jar or on the skin. It applied easily with no dragging or pulling and was absorbed quickly, leaving no greasy shine on my face. It has enough moisturizing to leave my skin feeling smooth but still have a matte look afterwards. Excellent product.